The Lighthouse Kids Company packing pod is a super simple way to carry your cloth diapers. It's made out of 100% post-consumer recycled polyester, and there's 2 layers of those in this pod to keep everything waterproof and any messes from getting out of the pod. It measures approximately 10 by 8 by 5.5 inches and fits anywhere between 6 to 10 cloth diapers depending on the size. There's about 6 cloth diapers here, and they are regular size or supreme size for toddlers. The pod is made with YKK zippers, which make them easy to slide, and there's one on the top as well as one in the front of the pod, and this front pocket is really great for small items such as cloth wipes, little toys, or anything that might be a small extra. But the absolute best feature of the packing pod is that you can completely remove the straps, allowing you to configure the bag in 2 ways: to hang on a hook or to hang on a towel rack or stroller. And if you're going on vacation, leave the straps out because these fit perfectly in a suitcase as an organizer. If you want to make this into a towel rack configuration or to a stroller, all you have to do is unhook one side and then go over to the other side and hook them back up. And that way you have a stroller configuration. Our customers have found out so many ways to use this pad creatively. We've seen them on suitcases, we've seen them used as kids' backpacks. They are so cute and functional for pretty much anything that you can put in there. And that's why we love the Lighthouse Kids Company packing pod.